Hello everyone, I'm Ray with Lowen Certified, and today I'm going to show you our tool of the week. Today's tool is wrap gloves. These gloves have a unique blend that minimizes the transfer of fibers and oils from the user's hands during the installation. It can be used to handle the adhesive side of the vinyl and graphics without causing damage. The fingertips have been reinforced with a denser weave, providing for better cut resistance and overall durability. Well, that wraps it up for this week. For more tool videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Also visit our website for more information on training classes and certification testing. Don't forget to shop lowencertified.com for wrap tools with the lowest prices in the industry. All links are in the description below.